Welcome, this is Jane Gardner, and welcome to the Business of At-Home Business, where we're talking about the Home Biz Startup TV, where we're going to be talking about how to start, run, and grow a home business. And today we're going to be talking about subjects that are of interest to anyone who wants to run a home business. So I'm Jane Gardner, and let's get started. I'll be telling you about this show right about now. So anyway, today is Freebie Friday, and Freebie Friday is all about bootstrapping your business. When you're in business and you're first starting out, you need to be able to save some time and save some money in your business, especially when you don't have outside funding in your business. And I just thought a simple way to do that would be to look at some of the free tools and software that are out there. So today we're going to be looking at, and we'll see if it works, because I'm using the microphone already, so I'm not sure we're going to actually do it for us. But we're looking today at Dictation.io. That's Dictation.io. So Dictation.io. So I/O usually means it's an app, I think. So, but you can use it on your desktop, and that's what this one is at the moment. But before we do that, I'll just quickly talk about my offer. It's the Freebie Friday training clubs at http://jgtips.com/FFO, where we have a place for you to go and have some detailed training on how to install and how to use in the ways some of the free software and tools that we talk about, as well as other tools like Audacity and WordPress, where there'll be trainings there for you to learn quicker about using this free software in your business, including video, images, computer backup, computer storage, productivity tools, phone apps, audio, and other software. Over the next year, it'll grow into a mega library of free tools that you can use in your business. That is possible to actually not even spend too much in your business, believe it or not. But anyway, let's go have a look at Dictation IO. So I found this as it's a free app, and you can have it on your iPhone as well as on your actually on Chrome. It's an app, as well as you can go to their site, https://dictation, which is Dictation.io. And on there, as we all know, we love to be able to have a text document of how we're speaking. So let's start the dictation and see if it pays attention to me. And actually, it says there you can add it to your website as well. So let's see if it's going to listen to me. And it even corrects, which is even amazing considering how quickly I'm talking. But Dictation.io is a free app and for Chrome, so you can install it into your Google Chrome browser, and you can then dictate into your microphone. So this is just my microphone that is installed into my computer, which I am now using to broadcast, as well as use it in Dictation IO. So it will use whichever microphone that you are currently active, looks like. Hey, that's pretty good. Congratulations, Dictation IO. So it looks like you can add it to your website, and there's actually even commands. I wonder what those are. Maybe I should stop it listening. Here we go. And let's see what happens when I say, oh, okay, it's a nice square information about dictation commands and tips. You can narrate long sentences in one go, and the built-in speech recognition will transcribe them simultaneously. Ooh. If you say new paragraph, it begins a new paragraph. If you say comma, full stop, question mark, it'll do punctuation. If you click the stop listening button, it'll end the speech recognition. And of course, you can click it again to resume transcription. So there's something there about how it can only be used in Google Chrome, but that's fine. And of course, let's close that. And so what you can do now, if we start dictation again, new paragraph. Thank you. Yes, new paragraph. Thank you again. What you can do now is, of course, save it. Thank you. And what happens next? And it'll save it into your computer. So that's awesome. As a text document. So of course now you can use that text document as a translation, say for a video or for anything else. So that's totally awesome. I like that too, and I'll be using it more because it's certainly better than my recognition I've gotten for video. So all I would have to do is speak while the video is going and then dictate. Awesome. Actually, what I could do, sorry, I was just thinking, is I could have it on while I'm doing these shows, and it will make a text transcription of my show. So I don't have to go and make my own text transcription of the more useful shows, obviously. For Freebie Fridays is fun, so we'll not bother. So just to mention again, I'll be creating a training club with all these trainings in here for Dictation IO, and obviously for much harder ones than that, I think I'll have WordPress in there, as well as Audacity and other videos for you to quickly get started with some of the free software that you want to use in your business. And that's at http://jgtips.com/FFO. So until next time, that's not me. I've got to fill that one in. Until next time, this is Jane Gardner, and this was Freebie Fridays, where we talk about free software and tools that you can use in your business. I should make a list underneath the video on my page, but right now I'm not going to do that because right now I'm going to finish for the day. Thank you very much for listening.
Hope you found that useful, and subscribe at http://homebizstartuptv, which is homebizstartuptv.com, or go to bohb.com, which is the business of at-home business, to find out more information and start your business now, because we have plenty of resources over there. So see you there.